We got a new SVR for Cambria and Somerset. Here.
Northeastern Somerset County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Vinco to 7 miles south of Lawson Heights, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnstown, Westmont, Windber, Belmont, Portage, Guystown, Southmont, Vinco, Boswell, Dale, East Conemaugh, Felix and Dairyland Park, Davidsville, Central City, Beaverdale, Lloydal, Paint, Jerome, South Fork, Scalp Level, and Sidman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cambria and Somerset. The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cambria County in central Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of northern Cambria to near Nelson. Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of that. This includes Evansburg, Nancy Grove, Northern Cambria, Patton, Crescent, Gilliston, Vinco, Loretto, Hastings, Lilly, Carrolltown, Sangertown, Belzano, Prince, Gilliston State Park, Mundy's Corner, Culver, Masonville, Asheville, Chet Springs, and Cassandra. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cambria, Pennsylvania.
Okay, why did it cut out the alert? Why?